Okay, next is the question 11. Right. Find the equation of the straight line that passes through point A and B. So to find the line equation, we need to find the gradient, which is y minus the y over x minus the x. Remember to change the sign, yeah? So you shall get -2. And then because you passes through A or B, so A or B, I randomly choose the B points. So meaning the y is -3 and gradient, the x is -2 plus c. So -3 equals to 4 plus c, so c is -7. So conclusion, the line equation is y equals to -2x minus 7. So this is the answer for part A. Next, find the equation perpendicular to L and passes through origin. Origin means the center point. Perpendicular, remember, find M2. Change the sign from negative to positive, from 2 to 1 over 2, reciprocal. So conclusion, the equation is 1 over 2x plus 0, but we are not going to write the 0 out. So next question, we are going to do question 12. Alright, find the equation of line AB. So the next one you need to do is find the gradient. 7 minus -1, so become plus. 5 minus 9 become this. So 8 divided by -4 is -2. Alright, so the y you can take at 0.9 -1. So the y is -1, -2x plus c. So it's -1 equals to -18 plus c. C equals to 17. So your equation is y equals to -2x plus 17. Okay, next question. Find the equation of line L. So from this, I know my C is definitely equals to -3 as my x-axis, x-axis passes through the y-intercept, which is x is 0. So I passes through the y at -3. So I just need to find what is the gradient. So my gradient is 9 minus -3 divided by 6 minus 0. So I will get 2. So y equals to 2x minus 3. So this is the equation of the line. Next one, find the equation of line that is perpendicular to line L. Perpendicular, so the first one, as you know, is 2. So definitely the second one is -half with the C, which is 2. So very easily you can get the equation for the perpendicular line. Next, we go to the question 14. Find equation of line L. So I know my C is a 6, and I just need to find my gradient. For gradient, you can just use rise over run. Alright, you can use this, but then it's negative because it's a going down graph. If you are confused with this, you can always use the coordinates. Okay, which is 6 minus 0, 0 over 0 minus 3, and you shall get -2 as well. So the equation will be -2x plus 6. Alright, find the equation of line perpendicular to a line L, meaning if the gradient number 1 is -2, so gradient number 2 will be half, and you passes through 9, 3. So this is 3, 1 over 2, 9 plus c. So 3 equals to 9 over 2 plus c. So your c value will be 3 minus 9 over 2, which is -3 over 2. So this is the y-intercept. And your equation is y equals to 1 over 2x minus 3 over 2. Followed by question 15. So to find the gradient, you need to find the gradient from this equation first by making the y the subject. So the y gradient is 4 over 3. For the perpendicular, the gradient is negative 3 over 4. So the gradient is negative 3 over 4. Alright? So next question. So for the next questions, I need the value for this. Okay. And I'm going to put it here. Oops. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm going to paste here so I can look at the value easily. Now, find the equation. So first of all, again, the gradient, take 9 minus negative 3 over 1 minus negative 2. So the value of the gradient is 4. Alright? And then you can choose any point that you like. In this case, I choose C, 1, 9. So 9 equals to mx plus c. So your c is a 5. So your gradient is 4 and 4x plus 5. So this is the answer for question 16. And next question, find the acute angle between the line AC. So I need to point, find the coordinates. Alright, okay. So since I know the line AC, okay, is a going up, and I know I passes through 5. So I wanted to find this value of the x. So this value of the x is when your y is 0. So 4x plus 5 equals to 0. And your x is negative 5 over 4. So based on here, I need to find the angle between the line AC with the x-axis. So meaning I need to apply Pythagoras theorem. Here is a 5 and here is 5 over 4 by using tangent angle. So tangent angle equals to opposite, which is 5. This is the opposite over adjacent. Okay, to find the angle, I press shift 5 times 4 over 5, and I shall get my angle as 75.96 degree, which I round it to 76 degree. Okay, next question, C. ABCD is a kite where AC is the long diagonal of the kite. Let's draw a kite. Okay, wait a minute. This is a kite. Okay, AC is this diagonal which has the highest, longest line. So this is A and this is C. So B and D is right over here. So as you know, the two diagonal meets at the midpoint of BD. So I'm going to substitute, write in the coordinates for each. So A is negative 2, negative 3. B is 3.5, common 2. C is 1, 9. And D is I do not know. The question asks about the line BD. So before I find the line BD equation, I need the gradient number 1, which is AC. So 9 minus negative 3 is plus 3. 1 minus negative 3 is plus 2. So just now actually we found already, right? Okay, this is the gradient. So M number 2 or BD will be negative 1 over 4. So you passes through B. So meaning your Y is 3.5. Your Y is 2 and your X is 3.5. So 2 equals to negative 1 over 4 times 3.5 plus C. Okay, so 2 plus 1 over 4 times 3.5, which is 7 over 2 plus equals to C. So my value of the C is 23 over 8. So conclusion, the equation of line BD is negative 1 over 4x plus 23 over 8. Alright, next question. The diagonal AC and BD intersect at negative 0.5 and 3. find or work out the coordinate D. Since I know that is right, BD, the center is 0.5 and 3, so meaning 3.5 plus x over 2 is equivalent to negative 0.5, and my x is negative 9 over 2. And the next one for the D is 3.2 plus y divided by 2 equivalent to 3. So your y is a 4. So this is how I get the value of the center point. Okay. So next question is 17. I will continue in our next video.